Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for my Saturday Showcase. If you are new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I take a few minutes to share all the creations that I made throughout the week. All the information is in the description box below as to like the link to the blog post or video for each card or creation. So let's get on to it. First up, I have this very sparkly card that was for the Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge last week, which was Purple Birthday. I decided to use a stencil and lots of the Craft and Kimmy purple inks, and then I went over it with a glitter gel to create this very sparkly, very purple birthday card. Inside is blank, I guess, on that one. So there's that first one. Next up in my group, there's a stamp for that. Challenge 34 has the themes of a mini slimline, numbers, or get well. So I used the My Type stamp set from Craft and Kimmy and made this get well card. I think it turned out so pretty. I love it. And I stamped that on the inside. And then it's April, so it's time for a new stamp of the month at Craft and Kimmy. You can get the stamp of the month free during each month that it's released. Like this one you can get during the month of April while supplies last when you spend $75 before any shipping or taxes. It's a great way to get a fun little extra goodie. This one is just gorgeous. I did pink and orange, which is one of my favorite color combos. And some little crafty dots there, and then I stamped it on the inside. I really like the gingham against that with polka dots, just kind of fun. And then the last cards for this week I just shared yesterday in a video, so I really won't go over much about those, but they were using the Abstract Botanicals stamp and stencil bundle from Call Me Crafty Al, and I really had so much fun with these cards. I can't wait to use that bundle again. So there are my cards from this week, short and sweet. Next week is a Craft and Kimmy release, so I hope to have a separate video for that. And I also hope to have up tomorrow a video showing all of my cards for my challenge. There's a stamp for that, so that maybe you can come on over and join us. And I think that that's all I have for right now. Come back in just a little bit and my sheet load of cards for April video will be up. And I have to say, I love this sheet load. I really think it might be my most favorite sheet load ever. So come on back by. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video. Thanks so much for stopping by and have a great day.